If your Beats Solo 4 are playing sound from only one side, don't panic. This is one of the most common issues Beats users face, and in most cases, it's an easy fix. Today, I'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide to get both sides working again. Stick with me because the last step could save you from spending money on repairs. Let's get straight into the fix. First, reset your Beats Solo 4. A reset clears temporary software glitches that often cause one side to stop working. Just press and hold the power button until the white LED turns on. Keep holding it for about 10 seconds. You'll see the light blink red and white. Once it stops blinking, release the button. Now, your headphones should be in pairing mode. Reconnect them to your phone and check if both sides are working. For many users, this step alone solves the problem instantly. If the reset didn't fix it, the next step is to test the connection. Unpair your Beats from your phone and pair them again. Sometimes the issue is with the Bluetooth connection, not the headphones themselves. If you're still hearing sound from only one side, it's time to dig deeper. Now, try your Beats on multiple devices. Connect them to a different phone, tablet, or laptop. If your model supports a wired connection, try plugging in a cable as well. If both sides suddenly work on another device, then the problem isn't with your Beats, it's your original device's audio settings or Bluetooth glitch. But if the issue is the same on every device, then you're likely dealing with a hardware problem. This could be a loose driver, a damaged speaker wire, or an internal connection issue, things you can't fix at home without tools and experience. Here's where your warranty matters. Check when and where you bought your Beats. If they're still under warranty, Beats will repair or replace them at no cost. You can contact Beats support directly through their website or take the headphones to an authorized service center. And that's it. Try these steps before spending money on repairs. You'll be surprised how often a simple reset saves the day. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.